Imagine a place where golden sands stretch as far as the eye can see, where mountains whisper ancient tales, and where the sea meets the shore with a timeless vision. Welcome to Oman, a land that feels like stepping into a beautiful dream. Pack your imagination because we are about to explore a destination that's as captivating as it is mysterious. Our journey begins in Muscat, a city that beautifully balances tradition and modernity. As we drive through its clean, organized streets, the aura of the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque comes into the view. This architectural masterpiece took 6 years to build and boasts the world's second largest hand-woven carpet. Now, let's stroll through the Patra Souk, where the scent of frankincense fills the air and the shopkeepers call out with a warm Omani smile. As we leave the city behind, the scenery changes dramatically. Welcome to Wahiba Sands, an ocean of golden dunes that has been home to the Bedouins for centuries. Did you know that the dunes here can reach up to 100 meters in height? It's the perfect spot for an adrenaline-pumping 4x4 ride, or, if you prefer, a peaceful camel trek to experience the serenity of the desert. And when the sun sets, the sky transforms into a canvas of 1,000,000 stars. No trip to Oman is complete without stepping into its rich history, and Nizwa is the perfect place for that. Once the capital of Oman in the 6th and 7th centuries, this city is a living museum. The iconic Nizwa Fort stands tall, its circular tower offering breathtaking views of the date palm oasis below. And here is an interesting fact. The fort was built to withstand cannon attacks. As we wander through the bustling souk, the glint of handcrafted silver jewelry catches the eye. Surprised to find lush greenery in Oman, Salalah will take your breath away. The annual Kharif monsoon transforms this region into a tropical paradise with rolling green hills and waterfalls. Salalah is also famous for its frankincense, an ancient trade commodity that once traveled along the legendary frankincense route. Imagine wandering through dense coconut groves with the ocean breeze on your face. It's a side of Oman you wouldn't expect. Leaving the coast behind, we head towards the mighty Hajar Mountains. Welcome to Jebel Akhdar, or the Green Mountains, known for its terraced farms growing pomegranates and roses. The air here is crisp and cool thanks to its high altitude of over 2,000 meters. This region is also famous for its rose water production, a tradition that dates back to generations. Walking through the stepped villages feels like stepping into another world. Next stop, the charming coastal town of Stroll, where the art of dhow building is still alive. Dhows, or traditional wooden ships, have been crafted here for centuries, and you can see skilled craftsmen at work using age-old techniques. Stroll is also the gateway to Ras Al Jins, a protected turtle reserve where you can witness endangered green turtles nesting under the moonlight. A truly magical experience. Finally, let's detour to a natural wonder that looks almost too perfect to be real, the Bimmah Sinkhole. This stunning limestone crater, filled with crystal clear turquoise water, is said to have been created by a falling meteoroid, though geologists believe it's a collapsed limestone cave. Either way, it's the perfect place for a refreshing dip and some Instagram-worthy shots. Oman is a country of contrasts, from bustling souks to serene deserts, from towering mountains to lush green valleys. It's a destination that surprises you at every turn. So, when are you planning to your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TVO Academy for more travel adventures. See you at the next destination.